Are you interested in starting or improving your university's ranking journey, but are unsure of where to start? Our Foundations of University Ranking course explores the history of university rankings, explains their importance, and examines the methodologies of key world ranking agencies. This course also introduces the Building World-Class Universities knowledge track, acting as a foundation upon which you can build your university's strategy to compete globally. The Foundations of University Ranking course activates the ideas which will be explored throughout the other courses in the knowledge track. The core courses cover the following key areas and timeframes: a long-term research strategy in maximizing research, a short-term visibility strategy in increasing visibility, and crunching data, which supports immediate action. The supplemental courses cover branding, alumni relationships, and bibliometrics. The Foundations of University Ranking course is filled with engaging videos, graphics, and opportunities to reflect on your learning. Best of all, this course can be completed in under 2 hours, making it relevant but also short. We save you time by getting right to the point so that you can put the strategies you've learned into practice immediately. So why not get started now?